The new world premiere scooter 2026. New Honda SH models. This model aren't just scooters, but true icons in the world of two-wheeled vehicles. They guarantee reliability and premium performance thanks to their robust engine and unmistakable flat floor. For 2026, the all-new SH 125i, 150i models feature a refreshed design and improved suspension, a more comfortable seat, full LED lighting, a customizable TFT display, and even more intelligent storage space. So how do you feel about this motor scooter? So please let me know your feel by comment below. Thanks for watching.